going to go over a 24 count choreography to a song from Epidemic Sound, and we're going to break it down 4 counts at a time.
If you're getting stuck on any of the moves, check out this video. I break down every move step by step. When you feel comfortable with all of the moves, then you can come back and we can master the choreo together.
Let's start off facing the left. In the first 4 counts, we will be traveling with the running man from the first position to a forward-facing position, landing our leg across our body like this. Keep a slight bend in your knee and stay on your feet to make it look more fluid and to protect your joints. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Level up your shuffling with arms. Our movements give your shuffle more dimension and depth.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Great job. Next, we're going to lift that left knee while hopping the right leg in, then jump both legs out. Let's try that again. 4 and 5. Let's bring that left knee back up and then step it back while the right leg kicks across. And 6, right knee up and both out, finishing count 7 and 8 with the crisscross. All together, and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Try to choose arm movements that balance out your legs. Remember, shuffling is all about creating contrasting lines and shapes with your body. Let's try the first 8 together.
5, 6, 7, 8.
And now we're going to move on to the next 4 counts, starting with a Charleston moving forward. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's try that together from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Next, we have the shaper running man for 2 counts. 1 and 2 and, followed by a W step. 3 and 4 and. Let's take it back from the Charleston. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Great job. Let's take it back from the top.
1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8.
Great work. Now let's try full speed.
5, 6, 7, 8.
For the last section of this choreography, we're going to start with 4 counts of the running man, starting from the front and heading towards the right side. Let's try it full speed from the top.
5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next we go 4 and 5 and 6 and left leg steps back, 7, spin back on that leg, and 8. Let's take it back from that quarter turn to the right, and let's use our arms like last time. 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. When we're doing that kick forward, we're also hopping forward and then back. So kick and jump forward, then hop back with both. And that is the end of the choreography, so now let's put it all together from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8.
5, 6, 7, 8.
You made it to the end. If you want to learn more with me, check out this choreo playlist next.